students, today we are going to continue with the topic. We are actually reaching the last part now. Thermodynamics is a huge topic, students. I don't think it will be cancelled in the board exams. We'll be discussing this next concept, and that is the working of a heat engine. Now, what does heat engine do? Heat engine is a device which absorbs heat energy, converts a part of that heat energy into mechanical work, and the remaining heat which is not converted into work is rejected. Next point, heat engine works in a cyclic process. Actually, the working of a heat engine is a cyclic process where we plot a diagram of pressure versus volume, that is pressure volume graph. Okay, the diagram is as follows here. Just follow this, students. Look here, this is the point A, important है A, B, C, D. Heat absorbed, work done by the gas, heat rejected, work done on the gas. This is the mechanism here. Heat engine, let me clear one point here. What is the exact mechanism of a heat engine? You know, the working of a heat engine begins from the point A, where heat is supplied to the working substance. Heat energy is absorbed by the working substance here. We will consider the cyclic process beginning from the point A, where the working substance is absorbing heat energy. But the heat energy is absorbed by the working substance at constant volume. At constant volume means what happens here? The volume is maintained constant. Volume is maintained constant means no work is done by the working substance. Next point, as the no work is done by the working substance, volume is kept constant, the pressure increases. The pressure of the working substance increases, the internal energy increases, the temperature increases, and that is at a constant volume. Finally, as the pressure increases, the temperature increases, the working substance reaches the point B. At the point B, the working substance in the form of a gas, what happens? It starts pushing the piston or performing work on the piston. The gas starts undergoing expansion. As the gas starts undergoing expansion, it does work on the piston, due to which what happens? The pressure decreases. As it does work on the piston, means work is done by the gas, the volume changes. The volume changes, here the work is done by the gas and the pressure decreases, reaching the point C. So whatever amount of heat energy is supplied by the gas, it is converted into work in the region, in the curve, in the part BC of the curve or of the closed loop, in the part BC of the closed loop, finally reaching at point C. At point C, whatever amount of heat energy is left with the gas, जे का उरला असेल, that is rejected by the gas. So heat is rejected by the gas. Again, this process takes place at constant volume. Again, what happens here? The process takes place at constant volume. Slowly the volume is kept constant. What happens? As heat is rejected by the gas, the pressure decreases. The pressure decreases and the volume is maintained constant. The internal energy of the gas decreases, reaching the point D. At point D, what happens? As the internal energy decreases, students, the gas is compressed. The gas is compressed, the volume decreases. The volume decreases and again the pressure increases here. As the volume decreases, as the heat energy is rejected by the gas, its volume decreases, the gas is compressed. The gas is compressed, the internal energy decreases finally at point D. At point D, as the gas is compressed, pressure कमी होतो आहे. प्रेशर कमी होतं म्हणजे काय होतं, एक्झॅक्टली व्हॉट हॅपन्स हिअर, ॲज अ प्रेशर as the gas is compressed, pressure increases or volume decreases, and volume decreases means finally it reaches the point A where the cycle of the heat engine is complete. Okay, what happens here, where the cycle of the heat engine is complete. Point number 1. Point number 2, students, remember one thing, that only the closed loop is divided into three parts. The closed loop is divided into three parts. The closed loop divided into three parts. They are work done by the gas. First of all, work we'll put it like the heat energy absorbed by the gas, work done by the gas, and then remaining whatever heat energy remains with the gas, that is utilized. Whatever amount of heat energy is left over, that is utilized, that is rejected. So the part AB of the curve indicates the heat absorbed, part BC of the curve indicates the work done by the gas, and part CD of the curve indicates the heat rejected by the gas, finally reaching at point D. So, as the gas gets compressed, volume decreases, pressure increases, finally reaching the point A. This entire loop represents the working of the heat engine. The area under this loop, whatever is the area here, this area is the work done, represents the work done by the gas in one cycle. Not only that, the cycle keeps on repeating again and again and again, and whatever amount of heat energy is absorbed is continuously utilized by the heat engine to perform work. That's it. That is the working of the heat engine here. Next, we will discuss something called as the working of refrigerator, heat pump, not heat engine, heat pumps and ACs, air conditioners. Students, working of refrigerator कसं असतं सांगते तुम्हाला. Actually, heat engine is a device which converts heat energy into mechanical work. Exactly the reverse process or exactly the opposite process is done by these important devices which are called the refrigerators, the heat pumps and the ACs. Here the work done is converted into heat energy. Okay, work done is converted into heat energy. Second point, heat engine absorbs heat from the hot reservoir, and whatever amount of heat is absorbed partly is converted into work, and the remaining unused heat is sent to the sink. But refrigerator exactly works in the reverse way. Means heat energy is absorbed by the cold reservoir. The heat energy absorbed from the cold reservoir is absorbed by the cold reservoir and then transferred to the hot reservoir. Students, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you simple way. The second law of thermodynamics. The second law says that thermodynamics, it's going to come very soon. The second law of thermodynamics states that the always students, always heat energy flows from a region at high temperature to a region at low temperature. That is the second law of thermodynamics. But refrigerator or AC exactly works in the opposite way by making the heat flow forcefully from the cold reservoir or from a region at cold temperature to a region at hot temperature. Heat is forcefully made to flow from region at lower temperature to higher temperature with the help of the phase change, म्हणजे physical state change of a fluid which is called refrigerant. Okay, refrigerant काय होतो? The refrigerant is a fluid which undergoes a continuous phase change and hence transferring heat from cold reservoir to hot reservoir. Now what is this refrigerant here? Refrigerant is a compound of fluorocarbon, students. what does it do students? काय होतं, it continuously undergoes evaporation and condensation by increasing and decreasing the pressure. So the refrigerant is made to forcefully evaporate and condense by decreasing and increasing the pressure, and that is how the complete heat energy from the cold reservoir is completely eliminated and transferred to the hot reservoir. And what is the hot reservoir here? The hot reservoir is the surroundings or the environment. Okay, that is the working here. So when the heat energy is absorbed by the cold reservoir, तो already low temperature ला आहे compared to the surroundings, it gets still more colder. That is the concept here. So whatever amount of fluid is used, it is the refrigerant which is made to forcefully evaporate, forcefully condense, such that it can absorb heat from the cold reservoir and transfer it to the hot reservoir, which is the environment. Students, and therefore students, when you look behind or when you touch behind, you never go to touch, but when you see behind the refrigerator, heat waves come out, but inside the refrigerator the region is very cold. That is the concept here. फ्रीजच्या आत खूप कोल्ड असतं. द रिझन बिकॉज जे रेफ्रिजरंट असतं ना ते एक तर नॉर्मल टेम्परेचरला असतं, त्याच्यातून हीट काढून घेते, म्हणजे तो जास्त कोल्ड झाला. अँड हिअर पर्टिक्युलरली इन रेफ्रिजरेटर we consider the combination of two important devices, that is a compressor and a closed tubing. By means of this compressor and cold tubing, students, what we do here, we form this device which is called refrigerant, your refrigerator. Point number 1. Now what is refrigeration? Refrigeration is what? Students, refrigeration is a process to absorb heat from a space, to absorb heat from a substance of a system, to absorb heat such that that substance is the temperature of that particular space or substance is below a certain ambient temperature. Means, थोडक्यात simple way, refrigeration is a process of artificial cooling. So what is refrigeration here? Refrigeration is a process, it is a device or a refrigeration is a process where what is done exactly? The temperature of a space, of a system, of a substance of a system or anything is made below its normal temperature. Artificial cooling method is called as refrigeration. That is the concept here. Are you okay? So today we have learned the working of a heat engine, students. I would like to tell you one thing, ki examination point of view, heat engine is important. Then we will discuss the next part, and that is how the refrigerant and the ACs work. We will be learning them very soon. Okay, we'll stop for today. Bye.